Hello trader, stop. Don't trade today until you see this analysis. Abu EG001 is there. Kindly let me break down the market and let's see the opportunity market created for us. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever the time zone you are turning in from, you already know what we are doing on this platform. We do our daily analysis. We analyze the chart and see the opportunity market has for us. To all my subscribers, please kindly, I really appreciate for the support. For those of you that you see my signal, I beg, please, proper risk management is the best. And yesterday some we had a loss yesterday. Yeah, we had a loss yesterday. So let's move on. Let's move on today. Let's see the opportunity market has for us. So to those of you that you want more update that you my video just pop up into your screen, kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to press on the subscription button, please, and please and notification button. And please, before we go into the chat, we already know what we are doing. Today is going to be our day, and success is going to be ours. We are going to succeed. We are going to succeed, and we are going to profitable in this trading journey. And in that case, we are doing. So before we go into the chart. Before we analyze the chart, let's see what the market. Let's see maybe we have any news on USD on the pair we are trading. Let's see. Today is 30th of August. 30th of August, and we have GBP, which is pounds, and there's higher patterns around 7. They say they said if the actual is greater than the forecast is good for the currency. So I think is good for the currency. Let's move. Maybe we have USD. We have news on USD around 130. We have called PPI, and there is CPI yesterday. CPI yesterday came out. This CPI came out exactly what happened last month. PPI and CPI was inflation. Sorry for that. So these are the news we have. So we are expecting the news is till 130. So let's quickly go into the chart. Let's see what the chart has for us. Yesterday, I was unable to drop a video because I have a technical issue, which is my network at my side is very bad. So I was unable to drop the video. So that's why I did not drop the video yesterday. So to this video, I want to do it because my schedule is very tight today. So let's quickly go into the chat. Let's see what chat has for us. Please be focused and be what? Be focused and be patient. Seriously. And this is sliver. This is what sliver is telling us. And let's start from daily time frame. You can see the daily time frame. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. And this is the last break construction market give us. This is the demand we are expecting the market to mitigate it. You can see the demand we are expecting the market to mitigate. And this is all what we are having. Seriously, this is all what we are having. So let's see what the recent market. You can see the market. This is what internal structure. So this is what we are having in internal structure. This is the break of structure. This is the internal break of structure we are having. Seriously. And we are having supply here. You can see the supply market gave us here. So seller has sitting down there. So we guys be patient. Seller has sitting down there. Let's just be patient. While we have in that supply we have other block. This is the way the market trigger is. So let's see, market is in this other block. Let's see if that other block is going to what? Is going to be respected to push the market down. Because we are still selling the market. Oh. We are still selling the market seriously. We are still selling the market. Seller are inside the market. So we are still selling the market too. As for me, we are still selling the market. This is all what we are having. You can see all what we are having. This is all what we are having. We are having FEG here. You can see the FEG. But let's move to this is what for daily time frame gave us. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see if we can buy into this supply zone. Into this supply zone. This is what 4 hours is giving us. You can see what 4 hours is giving. 4 hours is giving us the vibe of uptrend. Seriously. 4 hours is giving us the vibes of uptrend. This is the break of structure here. And this is the breakup structure here also. We are having internal breakup structure here. You can see the breakup structure on sliver. This is the recent breakup structure on sliver. But I don't know. Trading view is giving us breakup structure while our meta trader 5 on what on standard this STS is not giving me break of structure, is it's just giving me liquidity sales. And sometimes you guys be patient. You just do not take any, so that you cannot take, so that you will not take any hard trade. You can see what market is giving me. It's giving me to what this market is giving me. It's not giving me structure, it's giving me liquidity strength. But on what trading me is giving me structure. So let us be patient. This is what I'm having. This is the previous demand market gave us. So this is where we say we are buying the market before. So this is where we said we are buying the market before. You can see. So let's see respect this. So let's see respect this zone. If we want, let's see respect this zone that we are buying. We are waiting for the market to come here before we can see which uptrend. And I think on gold, I'm sorry, on silver. Sorry, on silver there is what? There is This is the last break of structure silver gave us. This is the last break of structure silver gave us. And market has broken the market has broken this supply. You can see market has broken this supply. So let's be expecting markets to come to this supply before we can see which uptrend. That is all what I can see. On 4 hour time frame, this is what the market is giving us. Market is giving us very uptrend. We are still buying the market into the zone. So let us be patient, seriously. Let's move to sliver. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. You can see this is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. Our stop loss will be below here. On 1 hour time frame, this is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. Seriously. You can see this is not break of structure, this is a liquidity share, and this we serve as a liquidity. This is 4 hours demand, so we are buying the market from here. We are buying the market from there. And on 4 hours time frame, we are having some FEG on 4 hour time frame here. You can see the FEG and the key level. We are having it there. So let's write out the coordinates. Let's see. This is entry. This is take profit. And this is our stop trade. Take profit, so to write it, copy. So this is our stop trade. So this is our stop trade. So this is what I'm saying because this is the next demand of 4 hour time of 4 hour time frame. So let's see if this demand is going to push the market up or not. So this is all what I'm seeing. This is all what I'm seeing. Let's move to 30-minute time frame. This is 30-minute time. This is what 30-minute time frame is giving us also. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. This is all what 15-minute time frame is giving us. So let's just be patient. Let's see if the market is going to what? It's going to give us a huge uptrend from there. A huge uptrend from there. And why this will serve as what? Liquidity. This is what I can see on Sliver. So let's move to good. Let's see what good has for us. This is good. From daily time frame, these are swing high. This is our swing low. This is demand. You can see market has mitigated this demand. Oh. Market has mitigated this demand. Demand this is because this is a major demand, and we have break of structure, and this is our supply here. This is our supply, and we still have a supply over here, and we have in this supply we have break of structure here. Other block, sorry, we have other block over here. We have other block over here. So we guys be patient. Seriously, on daily time frame we are having FEG here. You can see the FEG. It is small FEG. So let's move to let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see the recent opportunity. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what 4 hour time frame is giving us. You can see what 4 hour time frame is giving us. We are having break of structure here. You can see the break of structure we are having over there. Internal break of structure. While we are having our demand zone here. You can see where the demand is. So we guys be patient too. Buyer are sitting there. So in this market, buyer are sitting here. So we are having an uptrend here. So let us be patient. Let us be focused. And this is the recent opportunity the market gave us. You can see the break of structure here also. But I would rather let the market respect this one because we have FEG here. You can see this is a liquidity because we have FEG over there. So it will serve as what liquidity swept in the market. So big boss are sitting there. So we guys be patient, we guys be focused so that we won't be liquidate. So this is what we are having. We are having an uptrend there. As for me, we are since you already know we did not predict the market, we react to what the market gave us. This is what the market gave us, and we react to it. We react to it, and we are buying into this other block again because it is a key level over there. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. We can see we are having FEG in here, and this is our liquidity. So let's just be patient and let's see if the market will sweep this liquidity before we can see a huge uptrend. Seriously. And you can see the proper risk management into the next key level, which is what this is 1:4. So let me write out the coordinate out. Let me write the coordinate out. We are buying the market. This is our entry. You already know, as I said, sometimes market does not respected what or other block. The other block we plotted on Monday that we are selling. You can see yesterday market does not respected it. Market trigger it out, and we are in stop loss. We are in loss. So let's see these remaining 2 days of this week if they are going to give us profits. This is our store. This is our take profit. This is our take profit. Why this is our stop trade. So this is what we are having in the market. You can see this is what we are having in the market. So let's just be patient. So we are still buying the market too. Unless we see a what a market broken this higher low, market has changed the direction to what to seller. So now the buyer are still in the market. Let's continue buying our market. So if market seller enter market will tell us that seller has entered. Let's move to 30-minute time frame. That's why we said we are not predicting. We are reacting to what market told us. So this is what the market told us, and we are reacting to it. So let's just be patient. Seriously, that is what I can say. Let's just be patient because patience is the key to success. So we are buying. Let's move to US 30. Let's see what US 30 has for us. US 30 also from daily time frame. This is our swing high on daily time frame. This is our swing low. This is the last break of structural market gave us, and we are having what? We are having a demand here. This is seriously our demand is here, but this demand is for the future. So in case the market is coming down, market is coming down here. So this is what we are having. We are having demand over here. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. We have seen the market is in an uptrend. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is giving us. And there is key level here. You can see the key level over there. This is demand zone. So let's just be patient. Seriously, as I used to say, missing trade is better than losing trade. If market trigger us out, we find market will create another opportunity for us to enter. So this is what we are having on US 30. US 30 means 30 company that they match together in US. 30 US company. Yes, that's why they call it US 30. And this is a liquidity. This is where stop loss are, and big boys assets, you understand. And this you can see this is a liquidity swept up. You can see the liquidity of this is the first candle that swept this liquidity, and we still have FEG here. But as for me, this market has swept liquidity. I'm expecting the market to sweep the liquidity down here before I can see a huge uptrend. We are still buying the market, so let's just be patient and be focused. So we are taking our we are taking our take profit here. So let's move to 1 hour time frame to redefine the opportunity. As I used to say, 1 hour and 4 hour are for what? Are for redefine the one are for analysis time frame. If we see the analysis time frame on 4 hours and see the recent trend on 4 hours, definitely we move to 1 hour to redefine the opportunity because on 4 hour, if we use 4 hour to take the trade, our stop loss will be what? Will be large. While on 1 hour sef, if you redefine it and use 1 hour to take trade, our stop loss will be high. That's why some people use 30 minutes analysis time frame also, but some people use 15 minutes as entry because if we redefine that opportunity we saw on 4 hour, 1 hour and 30 minutes, if we redefine it on 15 minutes, the stop loss will be what? Will not be much. It won't be much. So this is what we are having. So as for me, I'm not taking any this sale. I'm waiting for this buy. That is the best opportunity. That is the best opportunity for me. I would rather wait for this buy before I can take any sale. So I'm not taking any, there is no sell in this US 30, it's only just buy. So this is the buy I'm seeing. So I'm waiting for the buy. Let's move to 30-minute time frame. You can see the 30-minute time frame. Let's just wait for the buy. I'm serious. Let's just wait for the buy. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. If you want to sell the market on 15-minute time frame, this is the opportunity 15-minute time frame is giving you. 15-minute time frame is giving you this other block here. So you can sell the market. But as for me, I'm not selling anything. I'm just waiting for the market to buy for me. So that is what I'm seeing. So let's move to EU. Let's see what GU has for us, which is pounds USD. This is GU. From daily time frame, this is our swing high and this is our swing low. All these one are liquidity, are what are internal structure. This is the last break of structure. This is the supply that give us what this opportunity. But this we cannot say this as supply because it does not break the structure. It does not break the structure, but we can put it at skill level or we can put it as what at resistance. So this is what we are having. So let's move to 4 hour time frame to see the recent opportunity. This is 4 hour time frame. You can see this is what we are having on 4 hour time frame. This we are having resistance on 4 hour time frame also. But this resistance will serve as opportunity as liquidity market need to sweat. And you can see the recent break of structure here. And this is our demand here. We are having demand here. On 4 hour time frame, we are having demand here. This is demand we are having. As for me, I'm having liquidity, I'm having inducement here. So I would rather wait for the market to come to this demand before I can see a huge uptrend. You can see all these ones are liquidity. I've said it that these ones are liquidity. That market need to sweat it. These are trend line liquidity. These are trend line liquidity. This is other block, but some will take this as other block, but I take it as inducement. So I rather wait for the market to come to this demand because this is where the buyer started buying the market. So let's wait for the buyer here. Let's wait for the opportunity over there. Let's see if the buyer here are still strong to push the markets up. So they are pushing the market up into this resistance again, but let's see. This is the opportunity we are having. Let's write out the coordinates out. This is our entry. These are our take profits. Why these are our stop trade. So this is the opportunity we are having. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. You can see this is the opportunity we are having. So let's just be focused. So I'm not taking any out trade that I want to sell the market. So this is the opportunity I'm seeing. Let me rather wait for this opportunity. On 30-minute time frame, I would rather wait for this opportunity than to take any out trade. On 15-minute time frame, I would rather wait for this opportunity to be taking any out trade. But if you want to take the sell, you can just take the sell. But as for me, oh, the buy is okay for me. So this is where I'm expecting the buy. So let's see if the buy is still active. So let's move to EU. This is EU. This is what EU is giving us. This is our swing high. why this our swing rule. You can see we already have a liquidity what market what came back to it. You can see market drop it again. Now we are having break of structure here. We are having other block here and we are having supply here. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is all what we are having on 4 hour time. This is the recent break of structure on 4 hour time frame. And as for me, I'm having demand here. We are having demand here. So this is the demand we are having. You can see that I said this is a what is a reducement. Some people will take it what as other block, but I used to I is an inducement. It's a liquidity place, so I take it as inducement. And you can see on Monday this opportunity we are seeing that market should come to this what demand before we can see a huge uptrend. So this is what we are having. So we are having what we are having a uptrend from here. We are having a uptrend from there. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame, so then we guys let our stop loss large small because market may sweep this as liquidity also before trigger us in. So this is our entry. Yes, these are take profits. Right, these are stop trade. So this is what we are having on EU. So let us be patient. Sorry, let us be patient on this opportunity. Let's move to UJ. Let's move to 30-minute time frame. This is my 30-minute time frame. If we said we should reduce, that's why I say our stop loss should be large because on 30-minute time frame, I'm still seeing FEG here. You can see I'm still seeing FEG there. So let our stop loss should be large. I'm still seeing FEG here. So let us be patient. I'm still seeing FEG here. Let us be patient. So we are still buying the market. We are still buying the market, still valid. So let's let's just be patient. That's the key. UJ, this is our swing high. This is our swing low. This is the break of structure. All these words are liquidity, and you can see market has already shaped the liquidity. So we are still in uptrend. This is what 4 hours series that is giving us. You can see this is break of structure. You can see on 4 hour time frame, and this is a liquidity swell. Market will get this FEG. Market is giving us what? Market is giving us uptrend. This is demand. And we are having FEG here. You can see where we are having FEG here. I guess delete one. Sorry. We are having FEG here. This is the FEG we are having, and you can see this is a liquidity swell. Market has already swept the liquidity. So we are still buying the market into the supply. Let's see the opportunity market is giving us into the supply. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see the opportunity 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is the opportunity 1 hour time frame is giving us, and you can see what the market is doing. As for me, market is giving a uptrend here. On 4 hour time frame, it's not giving break of structure seriously. You can see what market is giving. But on what? On 1 hour time frame, it's giving us break of structure here. So this is what we are having. We are having break of structure here. So as for me, this is the break of structure we are having. So let's move to 30-minute time frame. This is 30-minute time. 30-minute time frame is giving us a break of structure also. And these are some as liquidity swaps you can see. So all what we just have now, let's just see where we can continue the buy. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is 15 minute, you can see break of structure. So let's see if we can continue the buy on 15 on what? On 15-minute time frame. Let's see if you can continue the buy. As for me, if you want to continue the buy, there is other block here. And the other block has FEG. You can see it gave us FEG, small FEG. So you can just be expecting a what? The opportunity over here. So those are the opportunity we are having. We are buying into this zone. So let's see if the market is going to trigger us in from this opportunity. So this is what we are having. So this is our entry. These are our take profits. These are our stop trade. So this is the opportunity we are having. Seriously. We are still buying USD. We are still buying UJ. Seriously, we are still buying UJ because we are in the uptrend. We are still buying UJ. UJ is a valid uptrend. Seriously, we are still buying UJ. Let's just be patient and focus. Let's move to GJ. GJ from daily time frame. You can see this is our swing high. This is our swing low. You can see market has showed these liquidities for me. But on what? On daily time frame, you can see we have opportunity here. On daily time frame, you have another block here. So let us be patient. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame as for me. This is the last break of structure 4 hour gave us. And this is the supply. You can see the supply. And if you can read the structure, we are having what break of structure here. You can see the break of structure on 4 hour time frame. So we can count this as what demand first. While we are having uptrend here. We are buying into this supply. Seriously. As for me, this will serve as liquidity again. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is an opportunity my want to together. So let's see if the market is coming down. If the market is coming down, definitely we are still buying. We are buying the market from this zone. Let's redefine this opportunity. So this is the opportunity market is giving us. So let's just see on 1 hour time frame. This is the opportunity I'm sitting with. Seriously. But we guys be patient. Let's see what this supply is going to decide for us before we say we are selling. Let's move to 15 minutes. This 15 minutes, this opportunity is just creating liquidity. Seriously, you can see it's creating liquidity up and while it's creating liquidity down. So let's just leave this opportunity for now. The opportunity is not giving us um a nice self opportunity. So let's see what crypto is doing, BTC and Ethereum. Let's see if Ethereum and BTC is going to give us opportunity. So let's see the opportunity that you want to give us before we from daily time frame. This is our swing this is our swing. We can see market is in downtrend and we are having supply over here. You can see the liquidity market created for us on daily time frame. So let's move to 4 hour time, which is our analysis time frame. And this is 4 hour time frame. This is not valid anymore. We are for this 4 hour time frame. You can see this is demand. This is the demand. We are expecting the market. As for me, we have break of structural liquidity strength. Market mitigate this supply. This shows down, and we are having other block here. Let's see if the market is going to respect this other block. So we are buying. So let's see if this market is going to respect this other block before we say we are buying. Let's move to Ethereum. This is Ethereum. You can see market trigger us out and continue the uptrend. But this market is not even giving us any huge opportunity from daily time frame. This is what we are having. This is our swing high, this is our swing low, this is our supply. And we are having FEG here. So if this market is coming to this FEG will push it up. On 4 hour time frame, these are the recent opportunity we are having on 4 hour time frame. This is the break of structure here, break of structure over there. And we are having supply here. You can see market mitigate this supply. Market mitigate this supply. And you can see what we are having. We are having break of structure to uptrend. These are liquidity here. So as for me, market give us liquidity swept here. You can see market give us liquidity swept, market structure over here. Break of structure. This is not market structure. Break of structure. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is the eye and give us this was break of structure. This will serve as market structure. Market come to this FED. Let's see market is come to this other block. If market could come this to this other block, definitely we are buying the market seriously. Market structure shift. So we are buying the market from to this one. This is the opportunity crypto is giving us, so let us be patient and see what the market is doing. So let's see if the market can come back here before we can see a job trend. So this is what I'm having. This is what the market is giving us. So kindly, please, let's just people proper risk management is the best, and let's just be patient. You can see my new face look now. I've cut my hair. So this is what I'm looking at. So let's see what the market has for us. To those of you that want more of this, please kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to on the notification button, please and please. Today is going to be a successful day for me and you. We are going to be a successful trader and profitable trader in this trading journey and in other skills we are doing. Peace and love. Have a successful day. Thanks.